one of the important approach, how to integrate with the third party libraries. How to integrate with the third party libraries. I'm going to show you within a minute. Now let us go to the example cmd. What is the command I'm executing? ng serve. This is the way I'm going to do this one, but I will explain about one important technique here. What is that one, sir? Integration. What is the one, sir? Integration. So there is a problem with this one. Let me run and let from the problem to the solution we will walk through. So let's see. Good. Compile successfully. Okay. Right now, observe student insert. See, sir, when you delete something, what is happening? Observe, delete success. Now I am asking this alert box, do you like it? This alert box, do you like it in the real time? In the any real world of web application or in any real world websites, how many times you see this kind of alert boxes? Zero times, sir. Sir, how you are going to provide a beautiful alert? That is nothing but we call it as what, sir? Toaster. This is not a Angular provided functionality, but it is a third party functionality. What is the one, sir? Third party functionality. So how you are going to achieve this one? Very simple. Observe, I am going to do this one. Now I am telling the technique, sir. I am telling the trick. This trick is applicable for all Angular third party libraries. This trick is applicable for all Angular third party libraries. So right now, what is the package I want to use, sir? Toaster. What is the package I want to use? Toaster. Observe, Angular, what is the one I am giving? Toaster. So click on this one. Now it will go to the one website. This website will provide you the steps. What are the steps it will provide you, sir? How to download the module, because it is not part of the Angular framework. It is a third party library. That is why we need to import the, or we need to download the library. Okay, you download the library. How you are going to integrate this one, sir, with the project? By using what is the concept? Import the module into Angular app module. Import the module into Angular app module. What is the next one we are having, sir? Use the features. What is the next one we are having? Use the features. Use the features. So in this way I can do the things. Now let me show you the toaster related functionality. Now you can understand the things, sir. What is the first step? Install the library. Now tell me, am I by hearting or am I by hearting the module name? No, sir, never. If you by heart, how many modules you can by heart like this, sir? It is not possible. That is why I'm telling the process. What is the trick or process right now we are doing? First step. What is the one, sir? Download, import, and use the features. Download, import, and use the feature. How to download, sir? And what module you need to download? You can simply ask the Google Baba. Now, how you are going to form the search query again? Uh, I am unable to install those kind of thing. Not, sir. Very simple. Angular. With what library? Toaster. With what library? Toaster. Now I am asking, most of you are working in the companies. That is why I'm asking this question. What is the charting? What is a, suppose I want to create a dashboard, I need to create the pie chart. a bar chart like this. If you want to create a pie chart or bar chart, what is the JavaScript library we usually use in the framework? We usually use in the application development. Some of you already know, sir. That's why I'm asking this question. What is the charting library we usually use in the projects? Yes, very good, guys. Google Charts. Very good. What is the answer? Google Charts. Or some people also call it as what? Some people are telling like D3 charts. What is the answer? D3 charts. And there are high charts also there. So if you want to work with any of the charts, I'm going to explain little bit. Yes, Doraya, I agree. High charts also we are having. So right now, what is the process I am going to do, sir? Install the library. What is the first one? Install the library or package or module, whatever you call it. I call them as what? Packages or modules. So right now I install the package. Now tell me how to install the package in the Angular project, sir. npm install package name. Now there are so many things are there, but don't bother about them. Don't bother about them, just simply ignore them. So everything is fine. Now I install the library. Again, let us go to the website and let us understand the things. What is the next one? Animations. Already animations are there. Now observe, we need to modify the CSS file, means Angular JSON file with the one. Let us go. Let us go to the website. Sorry, let us go to the one. Let us go to the JSON file. What is the JSON file? Angular.json styles. In the styles location, we need to add the new one. The step is also configured. What is the next one, sir? Import the module. What is the next step? Import the module. Very simple. Let us go to the app module. Let us go to the app module. I imported the module. I imported the module, toaster module, browser module. Those are the things, sir. What is the next step I am going to do, sir? Import the service. Import the service, because all this framework is available. Let us go to the app component. In the app component, I imported what service, sir? Toaster service. Right now it is available in the NGX toaster. Then you can do this thing. So let me walk through the example. Open with Angular 44. Now I want to use in the module. Let me show you. As we discussed right now, first we need to import the modules. Let me import the module first. Let us go to the app module. So we have the browser animation module, comma. What is another module, sir? Toaster module. So everything is ready. Now, as we discussed right now, toaster module as well as browser animation module is imported. Next one. Wherever you want the service, just go there and add this one. Let us go to the student delete. So right now, what is the extra service we are going to write, sir? Anywhere you can configure private, observe, toaster service, TS. What is the service I downloaded, sir? Toaster service. Right now, this service is not provided by the framework, not provided by the user, or not created by the user, but provided by the third-party library. So instead of alert message, I'm going to write like this. So the beauty of this toaster, let me show you. this dot, ts dot. What is the one I'm going to configure? Success, message and title. Message, what is the one? Deleted successfully. Deleted successfully. So we provided the message. And in the same way, if it is failed, sir, if it is failed, what I am going to do? Ts dot, what is the one I am going to say? Error. Delete fail. Delete fail. So this is the way we are going to write the code in the Angular projects. So everything is there. Let us run the example. Let us understand the example. What is the answer? Ng serve. Again, I am telling what I am from these records, guys. Practice multiple times. I'm seeing very less number of records means only few people are practice. What does that mean? So I'm asking practice things. Doraya, Bharat, Aravind, and Nagendra. Very good. You practice the example. I like that. So let me see why it is failing. F12. Go to the console. Yeah, we have a issue. Okay, it is not asking for in the main module. Let me import in the if I import in the main module, it is not applicable for the child also. That is why it is giving the issue. Let me import in the main module. I guess this is the there is some variation is there. It is should be like this. I'm sorry. That is so you can see now. See, sir. Now tell me, this is good or bad? Awesome. This is awesome, sir. Compared to alert, this look nice. Compared to alert, this look very nice, sir. Why? Because it improves the expectation of the customer on the product. Means right now it is looking nice, sir. Why? Because it is not using the dirty. It is not using the dirty alert. Instead of I'm going with what, sir? The corresponding one, and that is why we will go for what, sir? Toaster. So in this way, I can work with what? Any third party library. In this way, I can work with any third party library. So let me show you the next one. Guys, are you following the scenario? It is very easy, sir. What are the steps? Do we need to remember these steps, sir? No. Who is providing these steps? The third party websites itself. That third party websites itself, because they have the better idea about their libraries. So how you are going to reach their reach their websites, sir? Very simple. What is the one I'm going to uh, do in searching? Very simple. What is the search I am doing here? What is the search I am doing? Angular. What is the next one? Toaster. What is the one, sir? Angular toaster. Now I am asking, sir, I want to work with AG grade. Some of you already know grid structure, AG grid. What is the one we are using? AG grid. What is the advantage with this kind of one? Let me show you within a minute. Guys, let me copy this code for you. June 3rd, third party. For your reference, I am providing this one. Okay, practice this one. And in the same way, I am going to give you the next example, the AG grid example. Now let me run this. Let me copy paste this example. Yeah, it is replaced. Now, sir, how to do this one? Very simple. Observe AG grid. I click on the angular grid. Now you can see the getting started variable. So observe what is the one, sir, they are providing. What is the one they are providing? See, what is the first one they are doing? npm install hyphen save the packages you want to install. What is the one, sir? What are the packages I want to install? Now tell me, do you need to remember this one, sir? No. And do you need to by heart this one? No. Why I should not by heart these steps, sir? Why I should not by heart these steps? There is a reason for this one. I am asking this one. That is why. So why I should not by heart these steps? Because Google is providing. I agree with that. As well as it is implemented by, not by the Angular framework people. Remember that part. It is implemented by the third party websites or third party companies. Third party provided this one. Now tell me, yes, Reddy, very good, Reddy. I agree with that. So right now they are using these steps. In future, they may add another module also for implementing a new thing. For implementing the new thing. So it will change, sir. You cannot control that part. It will change. You cannot control that part. So if they change, you cannot identify those steps. So that is why always, whenever you want to work with any third party related thing, always you need to go with what's their website pre-recorded steps. So that is the part you need to remember. So right now observe what is the one, sir. I'm installing all the related feature with a simple step. Let me show you. Guys, there is no rocket science here. Just I'm giving 3 steps today. Only 3 steps. What are they? Install, import and use. If you try to so do this one. So observe all warnings are totally fine. Don't bother about that. All warnings are totally fine. Now what are the code related things? Now let us go to the module. Let us go to the module. What are the related one we imported now? What is the first one? AG grid. AG grid. Now tell me it is available in what package? AG grid Angular package. That is why I imported. That is why I imported. What are the next steps, sir? Now this one also will be available in our directive. AG grid with module, AG grid module with components I am providing in my UI. So this is the one I provided. Now tell me, earlier it is a null. Right now it is, they are expecting what's an array. That is what I am telling. So you can observe now. See here, sir. In before version it is null. Right now they are expecting what's an empty array. Now tell me the syntax is modified. That is why we need to follow their steps carefully. Now they want to add the CSS file. That's fine. I added this one. What is the next step, sir? Provide the data. Provide the data. So, and as well as configure one tag. What is the tag we are configuring here? AG grid Angular. Now tell me, it is a HTML tag or Angular provided tag or AG grid provided tag?